New little video for you today. My little mate's inspired me today. And I'm making this video because there's not a lot about this on YouTube. So, we're talking about the Foxflow rp23 today. Very simple device, but so complicated again. I'm sure at this point you already know how to service the air chamber, because there's 1,000 videos on YouTube doing that. What isn't on YouTube is doing the nitrous, servicing the compression tank. Obviously it's not something that's recommended to be done because it is capped with a needle valve cap, and obviously that's not good. What we can use for all those people struggling is actually, you can go to your local chemist. Excuse me, I'm burping. You can actually get a hypodermic needle. You get a hypodermic needle. You won't be able to use an ordinary bike pump because you just won't. There's not enough PSI behind it. And obviously this needle is going to fit into there and go straight into your needle cap. Obviously you're going to need a magic hex head, and you're probably going to want to do it with nitrogen, and then you're going to need a regulator and a nitrogen tank. But the problem I've got is the same problem you've got. I want to refill it all of the time. I don't want to spend £90 on sending it to somebody else for them to just put this little black grommet in, put that in, and then fill it up with gas. It's literally £90 for them to do that. So today is going to be about what I'm going to do. If you look at the side of your valve, you've got, I can't remember what they call them, Schwader valve or something. And this is for filling your cartridge with air so you can get your rebound pressure. It's this valve that's the key, because with the tap and die set, I'm going to be able to turn this thread into the same thread as what's on my nitrogen cap. Once I've done that, I can then screw my new shredder valve into my nitrogen port, and then obviously it's a bit bigger at the minute, innit? And now I've got a refill valve, which I can do whenever I want, however I want. Take it to the car shop, get them to put 150, 200 PSI into the bottom of my chamber, because my valve will be in place. And that's pretty much it. You know, that's what we're all struggling on here. We're all looking for a way of replacing that grub nut. And I think I've just cracked it. Bike valve, tap and die kit, rethread to that threaded diameter, which I think is about a 16 tooth over an inch. And then the hey presto. And obviously when you're going to do this, if you're going to do this, make sure that on your bike there's enough clearance when this is in. Obviously your air tank shouldn't cap out onto it, because you're just running too much sag. But obviously this will be in your bike, so you need to make sure that it's not going to like hit on anything in your bike as it's moving. But other than that, guys, I think I've cracked it. I think I've cracked the nitrogen problem.